Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm going to share my experience about a device called Derma Suction. It is a pore cleaning device, removes blackheads and dirt from your pores. It's been a couple of months since I was wanting to purchase it, so I finally got my hands on this one. In case this interests you or you want to know more about this device, do keep on watching this video. I bought this for $397. You will find many options similar to this on Amazon itself, so you can choose according to your needs and what sort of a device, price or anything that suits you. They have also provided an instruction booklet along with it. You need to go through all the instructions before using this device. You can have a closer look at the design and how it looks like. You will get 4 heads along with the device. One is a small head, large head, oval head and sonic head, and all these have different functions. Once you read the instruction booklet completely, you will come to know each and every function, so it's very important to properly go through. It's got 2 adjustable speeds. The batteries were not included. Start by opening up your pores by washing your face with warm water, steaming or using a hot wet towel. This is the area I'm starting off with, and I have quite a lot of blackheads and dead skin over here. Plus you need to really dry your skin properly before using it. Make sure it is not wet at all. It's the first time that I'm using this device, so speed I'm using is 1 speed. I'm not going on to the 2nd speed right now. I need to get used to it more so that I can use it more confidently and see the way I'm pulling my skin. So you need to really pull your skin and then start using this device. And do not keep this device in any area for more than 2 seconds. You need to keep on moving the device, otherwise you will hurt your skin very badly. Keep in mind that you have not exfoliated your skin before or even after using this device. Do not use any scrub to exfoliate your face. I'm mainly focusing this device on my problem areas where I have most dead skin and blackheads. I'm not going to use this device currently around my eye area because it's extremely sensitive. Once I get more used to this device, I might try it around other areas also, but I have to be really confident in using it, only then I will take that chance. Do not wear any necklaces, earrings or any facial jewelry while using this product. And this product is not for use on areas of your body that have undergone any sort of surgery or have any scars. Before you use this device, always talk to your doctor if you have any medical issues or concerns. If this product causes you more pain, then you should discontinue the use of this product immediately. My nose area is full of blackheads. It has a lot of dead skin and blackheads also, and I really needed something that could remove everything completely. So my main focus is going to be around this area only. My forehead area is usually clean only, it doesn't have any dead skin or any such issues, so I'm going to keep it like that. I have used this device and you can see some redness on my face. It's written that it's going to go away after 30 minutes. Now I'm going to rub a little ice around these areas. I did not experience any pain while using this device, and this ice is quite soothing. Plus I think it might reduce the redness a little bit. I'm going to apply moisturizer after this, and this is the way my skin looks after using this device. You can see that it looks much clearer and better. This device should be used only once a week, not more than 5 minutes. I hope you liked and enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.